Hi, I'm James Eugene, the window expert. Okay, on this video, I want to respond to the questions people have been asking. How do I measure Ghana sliding panel? How do I get the panel from the frame? Okay, I believe if you check my page, you will see the video of the 3 panel. We have done that. If you have not seen it, go ahead and check. You will see how to measure the 3 panel. Then on this video, we are looking at how to measure 2 panel. All right, 2 panel Ghana sliding door. Okay, so this is the frame. As you can see, it is a bit different from the 3 panel track, because of this curve. The 3 panel track does not have this curve. Okay, all right, this is the curve. As you can see it, you see how it curve here. All right, and please note, this side will be inside of the house in case you are installing it. This one will be inside, then the other side I will show you at the end of this video will be outside. Now, but how do you measure this frame in order to get the panel? Now, this is the width and this is the height. Okay, if you put your tape out to out at this point where the tape is, as you can see it, you put it from there and take it to this point. It is not here, but this one. So when whatever you get here, that is what you will now divide into 2, divided by 2. Okay, if you measure the out to out divided by 2, whatever it gives you is the width of one of the panel. Okay, then the other panel will be the same measurement, and then at the end of the fabrication, you will see that the both of them will be like this: out to out divided by 2. You are not plusing anything, you are not minusing anything. Now for the height, you will also measure it the same way, which is here. You measure from there and to this point. As you can see, this is 2130, right? Now you will minus 65, and then your door will enter. Some people, like I said on the 3 panel video, some people minus 68, some minus 70. All right, so but for me, I prefer minusing 68. Okay, that will give me a very good opportunity for my door to enter when I'm trying to put the panel door on the frame. All right, don't worry about how to start and finish it. We will get to that, and that is one of the reasons why we are talking about our YouTube channel, where we'll be having a class on how to fabricate each of these from scratch to finish. If we are to do it here, the video will be too long and some of you will not have the patience to finish it. So we are coming up with a class, and we are pleading with you, check out our YouTube, subscribe to the channel, so that the number of subscribers will get to the point where YouTube can unlock the streaming for us, and then we take up the class there. You are not going to pay anything, it's just free. We'll be letting you know some of these updates just for you to be able to do your work very well and neat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.